Bob, what can I do? Help me understand my financials. Let's dig in. Your balance sheet tells you what the business owns, the assets, your good stuff. What the business owes, the liabilities, and what remains for the owners, the equity. Now, your income statement tells you if your business is making a profit. It's simply your revenues minus expenses. Lastly, your cash flow statement tells you where your cash is coming from and going. Bob, you don't just file your statements away, you need to use them. Do I need to know how to prepare them? No, you don't need to prepare them. Your bookkeeper or accountant can do this. But you do need to understand them. How do I use my financial statements to manage my business? You analyze your financial statements and calculate your ratios to spot trends and problem areas. Your financial statements analysis include horizontal, vertical, and common size analysis. Your ratio calculations include ratio categories such as liquidity, solvency, and profit. Are there any other tools or reports that will help me manage my business? Yes, glad you asked. Aging reports, cash forecast, and budgets are some additional tools you need to use. Can you point me in the right direction to learn more about using the tools we discussed? Sure. You need to take Bean Counters courses, Bookkeeping for Owners, and Analyzing Financial Statements. Thanks for your help and guidance.